The eastern cottontail, Silvillus floridanus, is a common sight in these lush meadows.
A sudden scent. The fox digs frantically, hoping to uncover a hidden meal beneath the drifts. The Arctic fox, a master of camouflage, stalks its prey across the frozen tundra, a ghost in the golden hour light.
Highly intelligent, the capuchin carefully inspects the pond before utilizing its agility to navigate the dense, humid rainforest environment.
The lar gibbon is perfectly adapted for life in the canopy, using its long arms to swing effortlessly through the dense rainforest.
As dusk settles over the redwood forest, the skunk waddles forth, its striking coloration a clear warning to.
As golden hour approaches, the striped skunk begins its nightly forage. Using its keen sense of smell, the ferret navigates the forest floor, searching for its next meal. Adapted to the harsh, windswept environment, the iconic Shetland pony grazes peacefully, its thick coat. This diminutive yet fierce predator employs a characteristic hedgehog, meticulous pinpointing its target with.
The giant panda spends up to 12 hours a day consuming bamboo, relying on its powerful jaws to crush the fibrous stalks.
The dense bamboo forests provide the perfect habitat for the giant panda, which can spend up to 12 hours a day foraging.
With highly specialized teeth and powerful jaw muscles, the panda is perfectly adapted to digest the tough fibers of the bamboo stalk. With a highly specialized diet, the sloth takes its time. Every movement is slow and considered, a master of energy conservation.
Found high in the rainforest canopy, the sloth moves with agonizing slowness, carefully selecting its next meal.